deluxe 13-person chair bonfire in Inlet Beach, Florida. I just packed my van. And we're doing a private access tonight. I just thought I would film a little bit and show you all the process of setting up and packing up a beach bonfire. Okay, well, I made it to the house. It has a private code, so it took me a second to get in. Here she is. I'm having to haul everything. I'm in a little bit of a time crunch, but look at it. The access is kind of difficult. There's stairs, so I'm not able to use the wagon. I'm just gonna be in grind mode for the next like hour. So let's get it. I'm running really behind. My bonfire starts in 2 minutes. I still have a few things to get out of the car. I'm just gonna set this up here so you can see me in the beautiful sunset. I'm so tired. Okay, everybody. I finally just got done setting it all up. That stressed me out so bad. I hope it's worth it. I still can't get over this house. The one beside it's even prettier. Here's the neighbor's pool. And here's my house from the back. My goodness. At the van, getting some more wood. I don't sweat, and I'm actually like sweating low-key. Like, nighttime fire. I think we got the fire going a little better. Hello. I've got an update for you guys. It is currently 10:06. My fire ends at 11. It's gone super well so far. The wood has caught, thankfully, and yeah, now I'm honestly just chilling, checking on the fire every like 15 to 20 minutes, and it's a beautiful night, honestly. It's all worth it. I'm still packing up my bonfire. It's 12:30. The fire was supposed to end at 11, but I let them go a little longer because we didn't get the food and everything finished set out until like 8:10 to 8:15. So I didn't start packing up till like 11:30, so like an hour ago. And I have like half the chairs in here in the fire pit, and I probably have about like 3 or 4 more trips to the van. When I thought all hope was lost, I wasn't gonna get a tip. I was carrying the stuff back up, and I thought everyone had gone to bed, but a girl comes back out and like asks for my Venmo, and I'm like, okay. And she just Venmoed me $140. And back to the warehouse we go.